गुड मॉर्निंग डियर स्टूडेंट ऑफ क्लास 9। ग्रेविटेशन 1 वीडियो के बाद अब तुम्हारे सामने है वीडियो 2 ऑफ द ग्रेविटेशन। इसमें फ्री फॉल, वेट एंड मास से रिलेटेड क्वेश्चन का रिवीजन किया गया है। तो चलो शुरू करते हैं वीडियो 2 of the gravitation video number 2, question related with capital G, small g, weight and mass। इसमें सबसे पहले क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, the factor associated with the motion of an object are force, velocity, acceleration and momentum. Out of these 4 factors, which one remains constant for all bodies, large or small, undergoing a free fall? Answer: acceleration of free falling object remains constant as it does not depend on the mass of the object. Question number 2. State the type of motion shown by a freely falling stone. Answer: uniformly accelerated motion. Next question, write the expression for the acceleration due to gravity, small g. Answer: small g is equal to capital G capital M upon capital R square. Next question, what is the SI unit of acceleration due to gravity? Answer: SI unit of G is meter per second square. Next question, what is the value of acceleration due to gravity on the surface of the earth? Answer is 9.8 meter per second square. Next question, what is the value of acceleration due to gravity on the surface of the moon? Answer: gm is equal to 1 upon 6 ge is equal to 1 upon 6 into 9.8 meter per second square is equal to 1.6 meter per second square on the surface of moon. Next, what is the direction of acceleration due to gravity? Answer: towards the center of the earth. Next question, is value of g, small g, same at all places on the earth? Give reason for your answer. Answer: no. Small g is equal to capital G M upon R square, since polar radius, that is distance of pole from the center of the earth, is less than the equatorial radius. Therefore, the value of small g is more at pole than at equator. Next question, where is the value of g equal to 0 on the earth? Answer: at the center of earth. Next question, an object of mass 2 kg falls with an acceleration of 9.8 meter per second square towards the ground. With what acceleration will an object of mass 4 kg fall? Answer: the acceleration of object of mass 4 kg will be 9.8 meter per second square. This is because acceleration due to gravity is independent of the mass of the object. Next question. Two boys drop a sheet of paper from the top of the tower. One boy dropped his sheet of paper as such, but the second boy dropped it by changing it in the form of a ball. Which sheet of paper reaches the ground first and why? Assume that air resistance is not negligible. Answer. When a body falls through air, the air resistance or force of friction due to air opposes its motion. Since the surface area of sheet of paper is more than the surface area of the paper ball, thus the resistance offered by air to the paper sheet is more than the resistance offered to the paper ball. Hence, the paper ball reaches the ground earlier than the paper sheet. Next question. Derive an expression for the acceleration due to gravity. इसका आंसर हो, consider a boy of mass m near the surface of the earth. The magnitude of the gravitational force is given by F is equal to capital G, capital M is small m upon capital R square, where capital M is equal to mass of the earth, capital R is radius of the earth. We have F is equal to mg, equating equation 1 and 2. We have mg is equal to capital G, capital M, small m upon R square, or G is equal to capital G, capital M upon capital R square. This is the expression for the acceleration due to gravity. Here, one important note is equation 3 shows that acceleration due to gravity does not depend on the mass of the object or body. Next question. Suppose a planet exists whose mass and radius both are half of those of Earth. Calculate acceleration due to gravity on the surface of this planet. Small g on the surface of the Earth is equal to 9.8 meter per second square. Answer. We have small g is equal to capital G, capital M upon R square. Acceleration due to gravity on the surface of planet is given by small gp is equal to capital G mp upon rp whole square is equal to g into m upon 2 upon r upon 2 square is equal to 2gm upon r square is equal to 2g. G is equal to 9.8 meter per second square. Therefore, Gp is equal to 2.98 is equal to 19.6 meter per second square. ये होगा acceleration due to gravity at planet. Now next question. What is the difference between small g and capital G. Difference between small g and capital G. Number 1. The acceleration produced in a body falling freely under the action of gravitation pull of the earth is known as acceleration due to gravity. Now, the gravitational force between two bodies of unit masses separated by a unit distance is known as universal gravitational constant. Number 2. The value of small g is different at different points on the earth. The value of capital G is same at every point on the earth. Next, acceleration due to gravity is a vector quantity. Universal gravitational constant capital G is a scalar quantity. The value of small g decreases as we go higher from the surface of the earth or as we go deep into the earth. The value of capital G does not change with height and depth from the surface of earth. Next question. Where is the acceleration due to gravity minimum and maximum on the surface of the earth? Answer. Acceleration due to gravity on the surface of the earth is given by small g is equal to capital capital M upon r square. Since equatorial radius RE is greater than the polar radius Rp of the earth. Therefore, acceleration due to gravity is minimum at the equator and maximum at the poles.